So we have reached Delhi airport. I'm here with Manoj. We'll be leaving for Leh at 6, and I think we'll be spending a couple of hours doing what? 4 hours doing sleep. I think we'll be sleeping, and we'll reach Leh tomorrow and meet our great warriors, Indian Army. I'm still at Delhi airport and I'm walking bare feet, you can see right there, because I break my feet while practicing something. I'm gonna have quick coffee. I'm here with Manoj, he's at the back. You can see he's my manager taking care of the show. I'm right now at Delhi airport, relaxing and waiting for my flight to Leh. There's a beautiful song that's playing at the background, so if you could hear a little bit of it. I love this song. It's one of my favorite songs. So I think I'm gonna take a quick nap for 1 hour and then catch my flight. 6 in the morning and I have just boarded my flight. It's gonna take some more 30 minutes for me to reach to Leh airport. I'll be directly going to the army base where I'll take some rest. I'm feeling very sleepy right now. I hope I get some sleep before I perform. I'll be meeting lovely people, lovely Indian Army, and I'll be staying with them. I've just reached Ladakh and I'm waiting for my cab to come. It's freaking cold here, you can see it's very cold, but I'm having great time here. I hope I'm gonna have some more time. I'll keep updating you guys about everything, so you can have a look at me. There are local taxi drivers at the back, and there is the Ladakh airport, you can see. So हम लोग अभी निकल रहे हैं एयरपोर्ट से चुगलाम. हमारे साथ प्रवीण पाटिल जी है जो हमें पिक करने आए एयरपोर्ट से. तो यहाँ से 12 किलोमीटर दूर है चुगलाम, राइट? एयरपोर्ट से पहुँचेंगे, वहाँ पे अपडेट करेंगे. मेरे साथ मनोज है पीछे, उनको काफ़ी ठंडी लग रही है अभी, और काफ़ी खूबसूरत जगह है ये. -10 डिग्री सेल्सियस. और रात को कितना जाता है टेम्परेचर प्रवीण जी?
जाता है सर, तो भी मतलब 15-16 तक चले जाता है.
Minus? Oh my god. So at night it's like -16, 17. I'm gonna have crazy fun here. So this is where I'll be staying for a couple of days. It's called Fortula, and if you come inside, it is a very beautiful place. It has table for having some breakfast, and it's a lovely place to, and you can see a TV here. This is for heating up as it's very cold. It's very hot, and it's a beautiful bed. It's very cozy here, very compact, and there's a lovely painting over there and a dragon fan. Wow, that's beautiful. Here with Renu. Renu, say hi. Hello. Hi Renu. So Renu, where are we traveling today? कहाँ जा रहे हैं हम आज? Sangam or Magnetic Hill, I think. Okay, let's go. Let's have some good time. And Manoj is with me. So we are going to Sangam, and also we are going to Magnetic Hill, where there's a belief that the vehicle automatically travels over the mountain. And also we're going to Gurdwara, right? All right. So let's go there and let's see how far can we enjoy. I am here at Sangam, and it's so peaceful. You can see behind this is there's a river. This is called the joint is called Sangam. There's a Zanskar river right here, and in this river on this side, and they're meeting at a point. The two rivers are meeting, and this point is called Sangam. It's a very lovely place right there. So good to see this. We are right now at Magnetic Hill in Ladakh, and we have parked our vehicle right here. So we are trying to wait for some miracle, and I believe this vehicle will move automatically. I'm not sure what's going to happen. I have here the Manoj. So Manoj, what do you think? What do you think? Is it going to work out?
I don't think so.
I don't think so. Even I don't believe.
It's very heavy.
It's very heavy. So let's wait for some time, and let's see if any miracle happens here. So this is going to go automatically towards this mountain, but let's see. And we have waited for a long time. Nothing is happening here. I think there's a myth about this magnetic hill. There's nothing magnetic about this hill. I'm not sure though. We tried to do whatever we can, but nothing happened here. I'm right here at Himang base, where I was staying here for a couple of days and performed a lovely show for army people. and this place is so beautiful, surrounded by lush. Momos, lovely momos with Captain Hemant and Manoj. We're having a good time right now. There's a lot of competition happening. And Hemant, what exactly is happening here?
This is known as Pagal Gymkhana.
Okay, Pagal Gymkhana.
And what
It's
we
Pagal means mad?
Yeah, it's all
Okay.
madness.
All right, all
They put
madness.
Different stalls.
Uh-huh.
People are free to do whatever they want to do.
You can have a look
You
around.
don't get to see army people in such good
Exactly. I'll keep you posted about this. And the weather is very lovely. You can check out the mountains. Today it's a little warm right now. Yesterday when I landed from the airport, it was -10. I was barely able to handle myself. Now it's good now.
But you
So we'll be handling. We'll be leaving for Khardungla Pass in like what time is our cab coming?
10 to 15 minutes.
10 to 15 minutes is our cab coming. We'll be leaving, and I'll post some pictures when I reach there. Take care. So my driver has come, and we are going to Khardungla, and you can see is waiting for me. So and here with me is Manoj also, and we'll be traveling to Khardungla, and our cab has come, and he's the guy who'll take me to Khardungla. What's your name?
Kunchok.
Kunchok,
yes.
say hi.
Hi.
Hi, Kunchuk says hi to everybody. Kunchuk, so we're going to Khardungla, right? So कितना time लग जाएगा खुर्दुंगला तक हमें? 1.5 hours, right? And Kunchuk says that it's going to be a very fun journey. I have here the Manoj, and he's traveling to Khardungla. And Kunchuk, it's going to be a very fun journey. मजा आएगा?
मजा आएगा सर.
मजा आएगा. I'm on my way to Khardungla Pass, and you can see the road. It's a December month. बर्फीली पहाड़ियाँ, बर्फीले रास्ते, काफी अच्छा लग रहा है यहाँ पे आके. And I'm enjoying a lot. I think अभी कितना टाइम लग जाएगा हमें पहुँचने में? अभी
बस 10-15 मिनट.
10-15 मिनट का रास्ता है. So it's a little bit not very clear road, but and it's the highest road at an altitude of 14,445 feet. If you come to Leh, do come to this place. It's beautiful, and you can see all. There was a snow a couple of days ago, and it's beautiful, really beautiful. Very dangerous as well, and very beautiful. This is so beautiful. This is looking so good. Wow. Check it out. So Manoj, how are you finding things here? Incredible, right? Yeah. Incredible. I love this place. I love this lake. I spent most of my childhood here, and I'm coming back after a very long time. This is something really amazing. I'm on my way to Khardungla Pass, and see the beautiful mountains right there. This is my car being driven, and you can see snow right here. Oh my God, this is so amazing! My goodness, I can't believe this. Wow! And there comes the Khardungla Pass will come on in some time, and this is snow. I cannot believe this. See guys, I'm right now at Khardungla Pass. This is the highest motorable road in the world, having an altitude of 18,318 feet. You can check it out in my background. Khardungla Pass, very beautiful place, covered with snow. It's December, so it was snowing a couple of days ago, and there's some sound going in the background. I'm having good time here, and you could see some snow right there. There's some snow right here. Check it out. It's a beautiful thing. Hi, I'm at Khardungla Pass right now. मेरे साथ यहाँ पे Khuncho है. Khuncho, would you like to see some magic?
Yes.
Yeah, sure. All right, Khuncho, I need some objects, some maybe we have something we have here. What's the bottle? क्या है ये bottle? Bottle है, okay. Khuncho, come here, and tap this bottle, right? Tap it. Make sure it's solid bottle. Tap it. Right? Okay, like this. and you can check it out. There's no crack in the bottle. It's a complete solid bottle, right? Yes. Bintu, show this bottle to the camera. Right?
Yes.
Bintu will focus on the bottle. Come here. Come here, Bintu. We focus on the bottle. Right? Watch. Hold the bottle like this. Look. Watch. Look. Focus. Concentrate. Focus. Look. Watch.
Yes.
Everybody, this is Praveen. I'm at Namgyal Chemo and I have lovely people with me. What's your name, ma'am? Rixin. And I have? Rixamo, and? Stanzin Norzi. You play cards? No? Can you touch one? Right. Touch one card. Any card you like. Just touch one. This one. Take it out. Angmo, what I want you to do, I want you to give me the card right here. This is the Angmo's card, Jack of Clubs. I want you to take this marker and put your signature on this card. Hold this marker and sign on this card. Sign it. Sign it right here so that you're able to see. The camera is able to see. That's your card, right? And I'll show the signature on the camera, right? Everybody can see it, right? I'll take this card and I'll fold it like this, and I'll give it one more fold just like this, right? Angmo, I want you to hold this card in your hand tight, right? You have a card, right? And I'm going to choose a card for myself. I'll choose, let's see which card I have. I have 8 of clubs, right? I'll take this marker. I'll put my signature right here. My signature, Praveen. Okay. I'll take this marker away. And I'll do the same thing. I'll take this card. I'll fold it in one half. And I'll fold the card into the other half like this. Right? You're holding your card, right? Hold it like this. Put it in your left like that. Right? I'm holding my card. Give me your hand like that. Hand like this, like this. Alright. Touch the card, right? Come on. Open. See that. Look. Open the card. See. You can choose one card. Any card you choose. Doesn't matter. Just choose one card. Any card. Just point your finger. This is like Jack of. Take it out. Jack of. Show it to the camera.
No, the back.
Jack of. Right. Put the card back. Right. Watch. I told you I have right this. And on each I have made a moving sticker, right? Watch. This is me. Okay? Watch. What I'll do is, I'm taking my hat. You see? I'm reaching into my hat. And I'm taking one card. Only your card. So we are going back from Leh to Pune. And Jeep has come, and here behind me is Rana, and he's a lovely person. So I'll see you. Goodbye to you guys. Goodbye. See you all. Chaliye. And behind me is Manoj. And sir, what's your name?
Patil.
Patil Saab. I think you were in the show. Right. So Patil was a great help during the show. So you enjoyed the show, Patil ji? बहुत मजा किया? अच्छा, क्या सबसे बेस्ट पार्ट क्या लगा आपको शो में?
वो रस्सी वाला।
अच्छा, क्या बात है।
मतलब आप उसको ये नहीं मारा आपने। अच्छा, धागा नहीं मारा, वो बिना
धागा नहीं मारा और बिना जुड़ रहा था, कट रहा था, राइट? वाह, क्या बात है। Alright, see you guys. Once I reach Delhi, I'll keep you posted. Take care and have a good day.